11. Let's count number in steps. Hello friends. Do you know that what is the counting numbers in steps? Counting numbers in steps means count all the numbers form a single number to the number of steps. Now, let's learn this example. These numbers are given from 1 to the next number. This is the rabbit. Now see, rabbits are jumping over on which numbers? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Means, see how the rabbit jump in steps. Firstly, rabbit jumped from number 3 to number 6. Then on number 9. Then jumped on number 12. It means count 3 numbers after the number 3 and we get the number 6. On counting 3 numbers after 6, we get 9. By counting 3 forward 9, then we get number 12. In this way, the rabbit jumped counting 3 numbers from each number each time, which means 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Now, look at deer's jump by steps 4, 9, 14, 19, 24. Means see how deer jump in steps. The deer jumped to number 9 from the number 4 to the first. Then jumped on number 9 and then jumped on number 14. This is by the number 4 after 5 we get number 9. After the 9 we can count the number 5, we get number 14. Counting 5 numbers upwards of 14, we get number 19. In this way, the deer jumped 5 numbers from each every time. It means 4, 9, 14, 19, 24. Now look at these boxes. In this box, some numbers are colored. Means let's find the numbers of the colored box has come from which steps. 2, 6, 10, 14, 18, 22, 26, 30. 2 is the starting number of these boxes and the first colored box next it is 6. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, counting 4 boxes that come colored box. Similarly, you see, count the 4 digits from the number 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So the next colored box is 10. Like as, count 4 boxes next to 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Correct. Now you understand that color boxes has comes in 4 steps. Now that you have figured out how to count the number in steps, now you create similar charts in your notebook and practice it